Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Yeah, Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see what message wants to show through for you today. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. All right, Libra. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, of course, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So, Libra. Oh. 5 of Swords in reverse, center of my spread. My God, what an angry spread here, Libra. Bottom of my deck, I have the 9 of Swords in reverse. Somebody wants to come out of this overthinking, over-stressing out, not being able to sleep well at night, feeling that whatever games were played here, eventually they became the loser. They've lost their power and all they can do is wait. And they're very frustrated, feeling that they've been dropped now. Wow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Libra, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the rest of the cards, okay? So, Libra and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Libra and their person. Thank you. And there's an alarm going on in the background. Okay. Did you hear the alarm? It was beeping away. This kind of goes with the reading that somebody is sitting in like their mental alarms are going on. Okay. And any of you looking for a personal reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Take a couple more from here. Libra and their person. All right, good to go, Libra. First card here says, we are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should be able to communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. So somebody has been in there a little bit of a devil energy, I guess, getting triggered at feeling maybe dropped. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. So seems like a very strong connection here, Libra, maybe feeling each other through music or in the 5D world, but physically feeling apart. So that's what's irritating a person, feeling quite angry actually from what I feel. When you told me you thought I was too good to be true, I was one of the few good and true people in your life. Your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. With just one text, one call, one look, one smile, you make my day. You are the most important person in my life and it doesn't matter where I am. I'm always thinking of you day and night. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. I will wait for you as long as I have to. Like I said, there's a lot of waiting going on. And getting frustrated waiting as well. We see this from two different perspectives. but not being able to come on the same page here, Libra. What's happening here? Let's start with an angel blessing card for you. Let's see what my angels have. Then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So, my angels, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Libra gang. Optimism. Somebody's lost hope in this connection, Libra. Somebody's only looking at the past hurts, their guilt, their trauma, their sadness, feeling all is lost. But Spirit is saying, turn around, turn around. The two full cups right behind you. Instead of focusing so much on what didn't happen, be optimistic about your life and see what you can make of it now. So that's the message for you. Okay, so Spirit, who's in the Two of Pentacles in reverse energy, Spirit? What's happening here? Two of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody's feeling dropped by a Queen of Pentacles. Somebody who was always loving and nurturing and kind and giving and giving and giving. Suddenly this person is now in reverse saying, I'm dropping the ball, I don't want it anymore, I'm not going to be the only one giving, because that becomes very imbalanced. So there is somebody here who is giving up, fighting for this connection, which I think is triggering the other person, because they are now in their devil energy. Why is this devil here? Because now they are seeing that their person is no longer wanting to grow with them or have any future with them. This one person, the feminine energy here, has gone cold. Like, instead of their heart, which was beating for their person, there's a block of ice here now. I don't want anything anymore. I'm dropping it. You're too toxic for me. This connection is very imbalanced. Yes, they consider their person to be a bit of a playboy or very immature or only wanting passion and sex, and not just from one person, then maybe just kind of, maybe this person, the Knight of Wands, may have treated an Empress as an option. So this Empress is not taking it, right? Because that is not what an Empress commands. They don't demand attention, they command attention, and you don't treat an Empress like that. So because of this kind of sexual behavior, I think, which was portrayed here, this Empress has kind of given up and saying, I don't have nothing more to give, I'm dropping the ball here. So now things are in imbalance. Temperance in reverse. Yes, no commitment was offered, happiness was taken away. You can't have your 9 cups. You can't just have 9 cups and not give the 10th cup and offer commitment. You can't have it. You can't have your cake and eat it too. But that's what this Emperor wanted. This Emperor was being very, very stubborn and said, this is the way I like things. I want all the passion. I want all the happiness. I want you to love me, but I don't want to love you back, or I don't want to offer you commitment. Emperor in reverse. Emperor in reverse. Now this Emperor feels, oh my God, I've lost my power. I've lost my power. Now they're in deep, deep, deep sadness and depression. Now they're trying to find clarity as to why this Empress has stopped fighting for this connection. Now that I have a feeling this person is recognizing their own behavior, their own selfish behavior, what went wrong here. And they're very depressed as when they're seeing the truth of it. Now feeling that whatever games I played here, they've all kind of backfired on me. I mean, I've become the loser because I've lost my soulmate now. There's such bad memories which have been created here, and what was the point? Because 3 of Wands, Spirit, 3 of Wands. Somebody wants to return here. Somebody desperately, desperately wants to return here back to a loving place. They're ready now to open up. I think this could be this Emperor. Now they look into the future and they see nothing. Now when they see their future, they want this Empress back in their life. They want to now come and open up and reveal. They want to return back to a place which gave them happiness. This person wants to charge in. They want to charge towards this Empress now and reveal whatever's in their heart. This person is, but the problem here is that they're still in the Knight of Swords energy, which is rushing forward without thinking. They're doing that because they have a fear of rejection. They feel if I do go towards this Empress now and I tell them everything what is in my heart, what if I get rejected? So they want to come forward. Oh my God, I shouldn't say poor thing. But somebody is feeling that, this Empress has already dropped them like a sack of wheat or, I don't know, bricks. They feel that my Empress has already given up on me, and what if I go towards them and I get rejected now? I've broken their heart so many times. Now this time they're not going to even trust me. So they, as much as they want to come forward, what they want to say is, hey, let's not shut this chapter. Let's have a go around. But the way they are intending to come, or they will come, is going to be quite sudden, harsh. 5 of Cups, Spirit. They're expecting a fight. They're expecting a fight. As much as they want this Wheel of Fortune to go in their favor, as much as they want a rebirth of this connection, they are using intelligence over heart. Like, they're trying to study the situation. They're trying to gather information as to what to do. How can I say it? Still in that Emperor in reverse energy, still stubborn, still very prideful. Even, I don't know, this is so confusing. They still are expecting a fight. Because in their heart and mind, they're so guilty. They're so guilty about their own behavior in the past. They've already it's like going to court and being the victim and the judge yourself. So this person has already decided, I want this, but if I go, this is what they're going to say. They're going to hurt me, so I'm going to hurt them before they hurt me. But in actual, understand what I'm saying? How much I'm blabbering here. That's exactly what this person is feeling. So what can we expect then, Spirit? See, again, same thing. This person wants to slowly creep back into, I think, this Empress's life. Now there's stagnation, but as much of their heart, I don't know whether this person has a heart, but I mean, of course they do, but as much as they want to bring justice and bring balance and rush towards this person who they want in their life, they will have to make a choice of how they are coming. They're still showing up as a trickster, as a magician in reverse. This person is not coming like the King of Pentacles or even a Knight of Cups offering sweetness or emotions, because they have already decided in their mind it's going to go wrong. They're expecting the worst, but hoping for the best, if you know what I mean. They desperately want a balanced, like to bring back justice into this connection. They want a return of the soulmate connection. They want to rectify everything, but this is what they're choosing to do still. Anyway, so yes, they've lost their optimism, and they could get triggered and do or say something which I'm sure they don't mean to, but it's in self-protection or expecting the worst. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Be careful. At least if whoever's listening to this reading, do not retaliate. Okay? If one person is triggered, allow them to say their piece. They will cool down. All right. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.